Hi, hope you're well. In this video, I will show you how to make a professional hero section on Shopify. First, you have to select your reference website and take a screenshot of it and go to Gemini, upload it, and write command. I need a professional Shopify store hero image CSS command. Just type this as your own language. Okay, so it's running. Look at that. Here we can see the HTML structure and CSS command. We have to down, yes, this is the CSS command. We have to copy the full CSS command from here. Copy it and directly go to the edit theme and find the section where I want to put the hero section first. Okay, here is it. Generate, and we have to paste the CSS command here and run the code. It's working on, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes. You have to wait. Okay, and you can see the right side, the code is already going, so please take a look carefully. It's still on the process. Basically it will take 1 or 2 minutes because this is the big code, so it will be take a little time. But if the code is short and section is short, it will be low, take a low time, so don't worry about it. Just we have to input the perfect code from here. Okay, writing layout. Making layout. It's almost done. Hopefully it will be show soon. Let's wait. Okay, here is it. The finalizing up. The code is fixing, also already set up. The section is ready. Here is it. You have to click here and set the full and view the desktop view. Here is your hero section. You can customize it as your own image, own text, own header and footer, own anything you want. If you want, there is also a custom